All right, guys, welcome to another video with Joe W. Trades. We're going to be going over something that I'm very excited about. This is another 1030X, but this is huge. I closed my meeting. What time is it right now? It's very late right now. I'm making this very late. It's December 10th. I just left the win. I met up with a couple of analysts and a couple of my high stakes poker player friends. We all sat down, we collaborated, and we really dug in and thought, and we just seen what it just did. This stock, this trend, it's not the stock in general, it's just what this trend narrative is doing, which it just caused, which is catastrophic for certain things. It had a huge impact, a very, very huge impact. And we really think that this is the new trend. We don't really think, it's showing proof it is the new push. It's the new push. Think of guys getting into the EV market in 2017 before the craze. Think of getting into Tesla. Think of getting into Tesla before it had all the splits, right? Think of when it was trading at like $1,200. Think about trading Nvidia when it was $1,500 before it had a couple of splits. Think about getting into it in 2020. Think about getting into those stocks before they were so big in market cap, with the power and the trend. This is the narrative. We found this is, you have a Democratic Party, you have the Republican Party. You have two narratives. You have one narrative over here, you have one narrative over here. We are in effect now with the Republican Party. There is a certain narrative but I don't even think it was just going to be with the Republican Party, this push too. This was going to come with it regardless. I think this was just going to happen regardless. It's kind of like AI. It was just going to happen regardless. I don't think there was too big of a favor who pushed that narrative, right? But this is going to minimum, we think, 10x just in 6 months. Stock alone, guys. When we say stock, forget about it. It's so big that I've decided to allocate 25% of my personal holdings into the stock alone. You guys know me. Anybody that's been on my Patreon, anybody that's seen me make videos, I'm a swing trader, right? I day trade. I'll do futures and things like that. I don't really sit in heavy, right? The last heavy move I really made was in an actual stock itself, not a stock, but a crypto, which is XRP, right? And I just did that a month ago just because I knew it was going to blow and go up to that part at 50 cents, right? But I don't usually put in money into a commodity, a stock, right? And let it sit. I'm allocating 25%, huge funds. It's a lot of money. I'm letting that sucker sit for 2 years. I ain't touching it for 2 dang years. But I'm also going to be trading this because forget about it. If it just 10x'd in 6 months for me while holding 25% of a big bag in there, and I'm swing trading this thing per quarter, and we feel like it's going to be in a bull market for the next 2 years, guys, I might be on track to having generational wealth, right? I might be on track to I'm thinking like pre-crypto boom in 2020, like getting in certain projects and that were extremely risky, that I was like, we're learning about them and they're going up 30, 50, 60x in a year, right? Crypto did do that. Gala 700x, guys, 1/10 of a cent. I used to trade in and out of that thing. I never held, right? Because I didn't believe in the project, but just crypto does some stupid moves, and there are 700, 300, 500x marks in these weird projects. But this is a stock. This is in the stock exchange, etc. This is been around for a very long time, and it's established. It's well established, and the market cap's $1 billion. What? $1 billion, guys. It has 0 stock splits yet. It's going to go insane. It's going to go ballistic. This is going to be one of the biggest opportunities to get in. There are very few opportunities that we get in. Everybody usually gets into these late, right? We kind of heard about the AI trend in 2022, 2023, but we were supposedly in some kind of a bear market / whatever, going into this trickiest Magnificent 7 bull market in 2023, right? And 7 stocks go up, whatever, and then the rest of the market goes down. This is going to be a bull market. Through corrections, we just looked at it through like a little mild correction. It's not going nowhere, hasn't moved. This is going to be in a bull run for the next minimum 2 years, guys. And if we see a market cap of $1 billion and this barely does like a 10x in 6 months, that just tells you this is going to be good. I'm very excited. I'm very drained right now. I'm very tired because we literally sat down. We looked at the PE ratio. The PE ratio is like, wait a minute, the PE ratio is like this and it's already moved like this. It's causing this in this market. This is insane. So basically what's going to happen is, with this, we're going to have a special link, a group community link that is involved with this stock as well. Only this stock. You're going to have a special link. It's for Telegram. You'll be seeing my positions that I make long-term. I'm putting a long-term bag in here, guys. Put it that way. I ain't changing it. I'm holding a long-term bag, and I'll be doing swing trading options for the first 90 days for you guys. That's what the special link for this group will be for the Telegram group. So you'll see my positions. We ain't hedging this either. We ain't hedging this. We're going in for the next. I'm going to show you guys these options. We're going in for the next like 3 weeks, just allocating amounts. We're not shorting it, hedging it, nothing. It's straight there, guys. It's just straight from there. I'm very stoked, very excited, and that is it. And even after the 90 days is up, and if the stock did a 7 or 10x, guys, it's in a bull run. This will be my Christmas gift to you. You take it. Do not touch your money out of it. You don't have to trade the options out of that, you know what I mean, unless I decide to do something different and help you guys do signals with this, because it could be very, with non-experience, if you guys don't know how to trade, even in a bull market, you can lose money if you trade options because you just cut your losses off, etc. too much just because you're nervous. This is going up, guys. This is going up for about 1.5 years, 2 years minimum. It's going to go ballistic. It is the new trend. It's taking over. Think EV, think internet, think AI. When they get there, they pop. They all pop. This is insane. This event, what it just did to drain that type of money, and I will explain to you what it did. Fact check me. It drained that type of money in the past week from a certain market. What was the cause of this? The cause was this. Oh, okay. So now we know what the cause is. We found the root cause. Now we have an explanation to why. Now we're looking at the narrative. Now we're going to find this trend. It's a wrap. It's a stock. We're good. We're not going into these risky cryptos. I like cryptos. I have my quants, my XRPs, etc. I'll hold these. But the crypto market may be in danger. We'll get into that a little bit later. This is going to be a craze, guys, and I hope to see you there and make a lot of money. But Merry Christmas. My gift to you. You're also getting two for one. I'm also going to throw another stock in there. Has nothing to do with this trend. This is just a stock that I've been looking at. It's been on my radar for the last 3 months. Very big notional company that's been around forever. You'll know what the company is. It's ready for a breakout, and it can potentially do 1x in a year. That's fine. You know what I mean? This will be a good bet. This is for you guys to throw in. You guys could allocate safe funds, or we can do trading strategies. I'm doing trading strategies on this because I like to go for if it moves $20, I'm going to make a good amount of money on there from getting into my options at this point. This actually has the potential to go to 1x at least. We're looking at a 1x for this one. That's going to be in there as well. So you're going to get you're going to get a trend. You're buying a trend, basically, what the narrative, what the push is, what the new trend is, and you're getting a stock. Think of like a Palantir, something that was getting ready to break out. Think of like, I've been telling everybody about SoFi. We've been trading SoFi. Just think of a stock that is getting ready to do 1x. This is exact. You'll be getting that one too. So you'll be getting a 2-for-1 deal. So one of my breakout stocks that I've been looking at is ready for a breakout very shortly. This should 1x in the next maybe 6 months, a year, which is equivalent to very good if you're trading it in a bull run. Anyways, we're trading strategies, so you'll make a lot of money. You'll be getting that. But the trend, guys, the trend's here, the narrative's here, the cause and the root, and the conclusion, what it just did was catastrophic. It's all fact check, guys. It was the cause of what just happened. I'll relay this in the Discord, not the Discord. I'll relay this in the Telegram in the special group chat link, what it just did, and you guys can go look and do your own due diligence, and you'll see that's why you just seen what just happened in the last week. And you guys are going to be putting all the pieces together, and you guys are going to feel very good at this point when you guys see what happens. Okay, so will be a special links in the description. I hope to see you guys there. This trend will be a long-term trend, guys. So whatever you do, I'll be trading the strategies for 90 days, helping everybody make 15x, whatever X on there. We'll be doing that. But regardless, if you guys are, because I get a lot of people, Joe, what should I hold? What should I do for the next year or two? you don't drop this stock, guys. You don't drop this stock for the next year, 2 years, because if it blows and before even stock splits and it gets up there, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's been around for a while as well, too, guys. Thank you, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. And let's get on track. Let's crush this. Let's get into this new year in 2025 ready to make a lot of money. I was blessed this year. I did extremely well. I picked some very good ones. I picked my Palantir. I picked SoFi. I picked them all. I'm swinging 80%, guys. But I have not found a narrative yet either. I've not found a trend. I found a trend in the narrative, and I found where they're going to push to. And I will be telling everybody, I probably save lots of people money right now in a certain industry because they have no idea what's about to happen, and people are probably invested in there, and I'm going to put a risk warning to let everybody know what's going on, and what just happened that is going to probably cause a downfall of something. This will all be explained in the Telegram, guys. This is very crucial. So you're getting a lot of information right now. You're getting the new push, the trend, the narrative, and you're going to get a very good risk warning in another industry that I think a lot of people have a lot of money into, right? To be very cautious and have stop losses and all these because of what's going to happen and why this is happening, which is insane, guys. Look at me. I'm tired. I'm drained. We've been talking about this all day. It's here. Link, descriptions in the bio. You'll have a special link, the strategies, etc., a 2-for-1. I'll see you guys there. And as we speak and I'm making this video, I'm actually creating everything right now at once. That's how insane and mind-boggling this is. I even let a few of my Patreon members know I have a big thing coming out, and they were asking, what is it? I need confirmation, guys. I let a couple of them know. I need confirmation. I've got my confirmation. A good amount of us sat down together. We had lunch, dinner, and we discussed it. We figured it out. It's here. This is it. This is the push. This is the narrative. And even if SPY does correct, even if people are expecting a correction in January, even if people are expecting a recession, in certain markets, we all know there are certain stocks, there's certain industries, there's certain sectors that prevail. It doesn't matter, right? We were all crushed. A lot of us were crushed when the Magnificent Seven. 90% of the portfolio, if you guys invested in certain individual stocks, they all went down and all made new lows. And we had a select few, right, that made the bull run, that started the bull run in 2023, right, guys? This is one of them that will be pushed, and there's a narrative. If money is going like this in the stock market, this thing is just going to do this. That's it. All right. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Links in the description, guys. I will see you guys there. I have a lot of work to do. Good night.